Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to change hotspot password on Poco C71. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who feel annoyed and disturbed because you guys the hotspot on your cell phone keep hacking by other people, don't need to be worried guys, because you have to change your hotspot password periodically and continuously. And how to do that is of course very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first that I have to do is of course, now you can go to settings menu on your phone like this, and then after that now you can go to hotspot and internet, and then after that now you can go to hotspot and tethering, and after that now you can go to Wi-Fi hotspot, and on the hotspot password you can change to the stronger hotspot password so that it will be not hacked by other people anymore. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial on how to change hotspot password on Poco C71, and thank you so much for watching.